Hello guys, kami ang Aliyah Flower Shop Gift and Surprises at ngayon po ay samahan niyo po kami dito sa Magallanes, Cavite upang magatid ng kilig, saya at pagmamahal. So let's go! Samahan niyo kami.
Sunrise pouring through the window frame. It's like I'm calling your name. Jeans and a t-shirt, just a little worn, but you light up my world like the early dawn. Little things you do, I notice them all. But where you laugh, the way you fall into my arms like you belong. Baby, with you, I'm finally home. You're good.
Miss Joby po. Hi ma'am, surprise po.
Ay, gano'n pala. Akala ko na po.
Yan, say-say natin ma'am Joby ang surprise mo ma'am.
Ay, pa-surprise pala.
Pa-receive na lang po ako ma'am. Meron po kayong balloons. And meron po kayong bouquet of red roses.
First time, charot. Joke lang.
And meron po kayong ma'am cake. Ayan, dito na lang po muna ma'am. At dahil ma'am napaka-special ang araw na to ma'am, napaka-special nyo rin po sa taong nagpadala nito. May message po si sir sa'yo, babasahin ko na lang. Happy 5th anniversary mine. I love you palagi. Mag-iingat kayo dyan ni Javin. Mahal na mahal ko kayo and I miss you so much. Ayan, napaka-sweet naman talaga ni sir. Hingi kami ma'am ng message mo ma'am para po sa
Why, hindi mo talaga ito na-expect. Baby, hindi ka... Hindi ko na-expect talaga. Nagmamadali ako, akala ko talaga may parcel ka. Sabi niya sa akin, may parcel daw siya parating. Kabala, ito na pa. Thank you, man, sa lahat ng effort. Kahit na siya ka sa malayo, hindi mo kami nakalimutan ni JB. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni JB.
Life's got a way of moving too fast, but with you I know these moments will last. Hold my hand, let's take it slow. Let's go to love, I'll never let go. You're good, you're beautiful, like a small town sky, unstoppable.